Okay guys, here's the break, time of the break right here, 3:33 a.m. Get it back up there, 3:33 a.m. Yeah, I just got off work at 3 o'clock. I was going to wait until I woke up, but it's hard to say what time that would have been, so I decided I'll just do it now. Serial number of the box, 181106979. Okay, good luck. Empty box. Pack number 1. Base, first hit for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Cup Contenders, Vincent LeCavier. This is at a $9.99. That's for Tampa Bay. And we got a spacer, base and base. Base, spacer, base and base. Base, next hit for the Calgary Flames, Roman Horak, NHL Ink Auto. Nice card, Calgary. Spacer, base and base. Base, 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 spacer, base and base. Well, there must be something good here. We're not getting no hits at all. Just gotta find it. Base, next hit for the Los Angeles Kings. Contenders leaders, Luc Robitaille. It's for Los Angeles. Spacer, base and base. Base, next hit for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Robert Bertuzzo, auto at 800. That's for Pittsburgh. Spacer, base and base. Base, next hit for the Washington Capitals at a $9.99, Dmitry Orlov. Spacer, base and base. Base, spacer, base and base. Base, spacer, base, and base. Okay, this one here might have something good. Looks like we have, let's see here, base, base, base for the Washington Capitals. Cup Contenders, John Carlson. Auto, nice patch. That's for Washington. Base and base. Base, base, base. Spacer. Base and base. Base, base for the next hit. Corey Perry for the Anaheim Mighty Ducks. Cup Contenders out of $9.99. Spacer, base and base. Base, base, base. Spacer, base and base. 2 packs left. Base, base, base. Spacer, base and base. And the last pack. Base, base, base. Spacer, and more base. Okay, thanks everybody for buying in. I have another break of Panini Elite ending tonight. If anybody's interested, check it out. Thanks a lot.